welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 11 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is indefinite pronouns. So इस chapter में we are going to talk about the indefinite pronouns. So let's begin reading this. So indefinite pronouns are used when we are not referring to any particular person or thing. कि indefinite pronouns यूज किए जाते हैं जब हम रेफर नहीं कर रहे होते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर या फिर एग्जैक्ट थिंग को. जब हम किसी रैंडम पर्सन या थिंग को रेफर करते हैं तब हम उन्हें indefinite pronouns यूज करके रेफर करते हैं. So there are two sets of indefinite pronouns. अब इन indefinite pronouns के भी दो sets होते हैं. The indefinite pronouns someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody refer to people. कि ये जो पहला सेट है जिसमें हम बडी लगाते हैं वो एक्चुअली पर्सन को रेफर करने के लिए यानी लोगों को रेफर करने के लिए ही यूज किया जा सकता है. अब बात की जाए दूसरे सेट की. सो द डेफिनेट प्रोनाउंस समथिंग, एनीथिंग, एवरीथिंग, नथिंग refers to things. कि जो indefinite pronouns हैं something, anything, everything, nothing, ये सभी ऐसे words हैं, ऐसे pronouns हैं जो कि things को refer करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. Right? Read the following sentences. अब जल्दी से इन सभी sentences को पढ़ते हैं. So just, is anyone at home? Has anyone seen my sister? Doesn't anyone want to play? I can't see anybody on the beach. Someone is outside. Someone is trying to phone me. There is somebody behind the tree. Where is everybody? Everyone has got the right answer. Is there enough food for everybody? No one knows the way out of the maze. No one can beat Bobby at chess. I telephoned you, but nobody answered. The indefinite pronouns are singular. कि जो indefinite pronouns है वो singular है. We use them with a singular verb. कि हम इन्हें एक singular verb की तरह use करते हैं. But you can also use the plural pronouns. पर हम इनकी जगह plural pronouns को भी use कर सकते हैं. They, them, and themselves, and their to refer to the indefinite pronouns. Right? कि हम इनकी जगह plural pronouns जैसे कि इन सभी pronouns का use कर सकते हैं जब हमें indefinite pronouns का refer करना हो तब भी. So here we have a box to remember which says we often use anyone or anybody instead of someone or somebody in questions. कि हम someone या somebody की जगह anyone या anybody use करते हैं whenever we are talking about the questions. For example, we can say, is anyone or anybody there? Read the following examples. जल्दी से इन examples को अब पढ़ते हैं. Somebody has left their shoes behind. When you get a present from someone, do you always thank them? There is someone crying, perhaps they have hurt themselves. Everyone needs a friend, don't they? Has everyone collected their gift? Nobody knows the answer, do they? Now, we can put adjectives after the indefinite pronouns कि हम adjectives use कर सकते हैं indefinite pronouns के बाद भी. So it is, we have done everything possible to help. I have nothing special to do today. Nothing definite has been decided. Do you have anything special to eat? Something important is missing. Right? Now, next thing we have box to remember. Let's read this. We use anyone or anybody. Okay, so this we already read, right? Moving up to the next one, which says some people prefer to use he or she, him or her, himself or herself, and his or her to refer to indefinite pronouns. कि हम इन सभी words का use करते हैं जब हमें indefinite pronouns का refer करना हो तब भी. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर हम कह सकते हैं somebody has left his or her shoes behind. No one likes having his or her teeth drilled. Right? So that was all about the chapter indefinite pronouns. I hope you all are clear with them and you all find the things very easy. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.